We got this package from Amazon the other day, and I was going to open it on my own, but since it has a special meaning for me and my grandson Jackson, say hi Jackson, that I figured we'd open it together. Jackson, do you want to open up the box? Look, let's see what's in the box. Jackson, it's our very first Holztiger. And of course, we got the lion. I don't know, I guess I expected it to come in a box instead of plastic, but I don't know. And I'm doing this left-handed, so forgive the stumbling with it. I found this on Amazon, of course, through their shop. And it was the last one. I am a Leo, according to the zodiac signs. And so is Jackson. He just made it. He was born on the last day to be considered a Leo. So that was special that my grandson is a Leo with his Gigi. Hey, he's into climbing right now, so. He already fell this morning, so I would think that he would learn a hard lesson to not climb in that chair, because that chair is not great for climbing. It comes with its little tag that says, oh, if I can zoom in right, handcrafted and hand painted, which we already knew. Then there's some more information inside a little booklet. And that's the biggest thing right there. Meets all the safety requirements. And on the other side of that little flap, it's got some pictures of the other animals that are available. So I'm just going to take this off and let you see how big it really is. I do not have tiny hands. This is a pretty substantial size, and it's got a little rope tail. So this is our first Holztiger, and we've been making do with some little cute colorful animals that aren't as realistic looking, and that is why I wanted to get them. Look at the difference. And this puzzle didn't even come with a lion. I was kind of disappointed. It did have a tiger though, but look at the size difference. Yep, they're at least 1.25 inches thick just by looking at my thumb. The detail painting on the face, I love his green eyes and his underbelly, and of course how you know that it's authentic. It has a stamp under the foot. Look at your new lion, baby. He says roar, 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 roar. Isn't he nice? Take this out. Is he nice? He's nice. Say lion. Lion. Roar. I'm not turning the light on yet. We've got lots of light coming in the windows this morning. Something's been making my baby break out. Because it's just dry skin. He's got a little bit of a rash on his cheeks. Rah, rah, rah. Rah, rah, rah. Rah, rah, rah. I think it's going to be one of his favorites to hang out with. And he's gone. Well, that was just a little bit of what we wanted to show you for today. I will, like I told you, be purchasing more of these, but I'm on a very strict budget. I do daycare, and most of the children that I do daycare for are low income. So I get paid by our state, and the state pays us the very bare minimum to function. So that was already a struggle, and then I reduced my numbers because our little guy here has a congenital heart defect, and when he was first born, we had to always make sure that he wasn't exposed to lots of different germs, and you know, kids carry germs a lot more easily than adults. And oh goodness, okay. So I had to reduce the amount of kids that were in my daycare. So that made an extra financial struggle because I didn't have as much income coming in at all. So we're slowly going to start adding children back because Jackson had his heart surgery 8 weeks ago today. Wow. And look at him go. He's doing great. He's thriving. He's growing. He's just doing wonderful for having open heart surgery. He's a great little boy. He's such a happy little boy. It's my boo-joo doo-joo. And yeah, now that he's gotten to the point where we feel it's safe enough for him to be around a lot of other children, I'll start enrolling more kids. I had a couple of families. I don't think they're going to work out. They were prior clients, and I think they're just going to have to stay in the past. I tried to work with them, and I try to work with most of the young moms, young single moms, and single dads too. I really try to help them because I was a single mom for the longest, so I know the struggles. And it just doesn't seem like it's paying off. I don't appreciate when things that I do out of my kindness are taken for granted, like it's something I'm supposed to do. No, it's not a state requirement. It is a queen requirement that I help out. But when my helping hand keeps getting slapped, it's kind of discouraging. So I do not think they will last. I'm going to actually open up my enrollment page and start bringing in some new kids with some parents that actually appreciate the things that I do for their little ones, because there are so many daycares that just plop the children in front of the television. I make no money here. Everything that I get goes right back into the daycare. I make no profits whatsoever. Hey, do you have the hippo and the gator? Hippo and gator and the brontosaurus. They're missing in action. We're gonna have to give our lion a name, Jackson. What do you want to call our lion? We don't want to just call him something simple like Leo. No, we don't. I like him. Look at our pretty stones. Those are pretty. This one came from out of the yard, believe it or not. Yep, this one was in my yard. Very pretty. Hey, why are you messing with the camera? You want to see yourself? Look. Do you see yourself, Jackson? I turned it around. Alright, I think we're going to wrap it up. I didn't want to take this long to make a video. Alright, we'll be back the next time we have another Holztiger item to open.